Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet round motif and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like the video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use Elise BBC cream yarn and hook number 2.5mm as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring, then make 3 chains, and make 11 double crochet stitches inside that magic ring, then close with slip stitch and cut the yarn. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will join another yarn to start round 2. I will make 3 chains, then make double crochet into the same stitch as shown now. Then make 2 chains and make 2 double crochet together into the next stitch and repeat with the same sequence across the row, then close with a slip stitch and cut our yarn. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 3. I will join the green yarn into the first space and make 3 chains, then make 2 double crochet into the same space as shown now. Then I will make a chain and make 3 double crochet into every space across the row, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 4. I will make 5 chains and make single crochet into the next space then make another 5 chains and make single crochet into next space and repeat with the same sequence across the row, then close with slip stitch and cut the yarn. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start a new round. I will join the beige color yarn and make 3 chains, then make 5 double crochet into that space as shown now. Then I will make 3 chains and close with slip stitch into the same space and make slip stitch into the next space, then make 3 chains and make 5 double crochet stitches into that space. Then make 3 chains and close with slip stitch into the same space and repeat with the same sequence across the row, then close with slip stitch and cut the yarn. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that crochet round motif and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please do subscribe and share and like the video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.